Hi everyone, this is a video to learn more about the Path to Diversity Scholarship Program. From MBA's homepage, go ahead and highlight or hover over the conferences and education, and then go down to where it says scholarships towards the bottom here. Once you click on that, you'll be redirected to our scholarship program page. The Path to Diversity Scholarship Program is a great way for maybe people in your company or yourself who's interested in taking advantage of our education and some conferences. It's a scholarship that awards $2,000 to our popular education courses and then some conferences that you can find below. It's very easy to apply. It takes about maybe 5 minutes. So definitely send out to your team. If you want an easy scholarship flyer, you can download and share with your colleagues. It's a great way to share it. If you keep scrolling down here, you'll see the application requirements and eligibility criteria. So you can familiarize yourself with that. And then you can also find the qualified courses and programs to use the scholarship funds towards. So some of the conferences that are included is the Human Resources Symposium, the Regulatory Compliance Conference, Accounting and Financial Management, Servicing Legal Issues, and then our CREF Servicing and Technology Conference as well. And then here's some of the certificates and designations. So you can scroll through and see what's eligible, but definitely take advantage. We give these out all the time, so feel free to apply. And if you have any questions, please email membership@mba.org. Have a great day.